Good morning, February 18th. We are at the midpoint of the work week. Today, Advent's Embrace invites us into the light of the heart space. Our message today is: I wish you light in your soul, even if the sky outside is cloudy. There are days when the sky is covered with gray clouds, and the February wind tries to shake our mood. But the true magic is this: the inner glow never goes out, no matter the weather beyond the window. We choose our inner microclimate, and when it is bright within us, any storm feels like mere scenery. Of course, light in the soul does not mean the absence of problems. It means the presence of inner warmth that we consciously maintain. It is the sun that never sets, even when the calendar suggests otherwise. Today, let us turn on our inner lantern. Right now, wherever you are, find one thing around you that you like. The color of your cup, a colleague's smile, the softness of your sweater, or a memory that really warms you. Focus on it for 10 seconds. Let it become your little ray of light. Watch how it grows stronger. With every inhale, the light expands. Imagine taking this light and placing it in the center of your chest. Do you feel it? It becomes warmer. With each inhale, you feel yourself with warm golden light. With each exhale, you release dark storm clouds, leaving your inner sky clear. The light gently spreads across your shoulders, down your arms, reaching every cell, and a sense of calm embraces you. Now your inner lantern is glowing. We have safely sheltered it from any external storms. We protect it, and it inspires us. Our lantern does not need batteries. It only needs our attention. The weather forecast is temporary. Inner glow is a choice. And if you notice that someone near you feels in the dark today, share your light. Wishing you a calm and luminous day. Your light of the heart from Advance Embrace.